Established in May 2014, OVNS TECH is an innovation-based manufacturer that integrates R&D, production and sales of electronic cigarettes with industry-leading technologies. The products include disposable vape, vaporizers and related parts. With more than 300 employees, our company has a professional management and manufacturing team. Every member of OVNS team adheres to the business philosophy of superior quality and innovative technology, and diligently develops healthy, easy-to-use, authentic products and provides high-quality service for global partners and users. Our company possesses production qualifications that meet China's national standards and has obtained a license for tobacco monopoly production enterprise. Our products have passed a number of certifications, such as FC, CE, ROHS and TPD that meets the requirements of EU countries' import policies. Our company focuses on disposable electronic cigarettes, regarding quality and taste as the top concern, and we have successfully launched many bestsellers for our partners. OVNS and vaping, our own brands, have been sold well all over the world and are popular among a great many vapers. We have an experienced R&D team with strong innovation capabilities and technological superiority. Our company has a dustless workshop with purification level 100,000 ppm per cubic meter, adopting advanced up-to-date production equipment, covering various categories such as mold development, assembly, testing and oil injection. Functional labs and precise experimental instruments provide technical support for the R&D of OVNS. Each product has undergone multiple production processes and inspections, and a strict quality management system ensures high quality. We do our best to serve users with stable delivery capacity, short response time, quality products and marketing support. Things change rapidly in the e-cigarette market. We continuously improve our core competitiveness, actively respond to market changes, and continuously develop new products. Relying on massive market data analysis, advanced technologies, and the team's rich experience, we are able to provide customers with best sellers. Thanks to a wealth of experience, our flavorists create the flavors that are popular with local market users. We provide different flavor schemes for customers in different regions, meet the demands of different groups, and offer the best taste experience to every user. As an industry-leading electronic cigarette manufacturer that supports OEM/ODM services, our company strictly implements the production standards of ISO 9001 and maintains sufficient productivity, up to 100,000 pieces per day. We have a young and dynamic design team. From the viewpoint of the market and users, they provide customers with fancy design schemes. In the future, OVNS team will continue to do more technical researches and bring desirable products to customers.